Hey guys, this is Stephanie. I just took a shower and I just washed my hair and I gotta show you, but I used this thing right here. Actually, I put it over my drain and you see how much hair that came out my head? Because my hair is breaking off and this, I don't want going down the drain. Nobody needs hair going down the drain. And you see what kind of drain I have, right? This is the kind of drain I got. So I'm going to move it just to show you that I'm going to just move it out of the way. Because that's my drain. There's nothing else fits over that, really, so that the hair doesn't go down. So look at that hair. Look how much hair came out my head. Unbelievable. I need to find something where my hair don't fall out like that. But that's the case I got, and I don't want it going down the drain. So I bought these things, and I will show you what they are. They look like this. Came in a pack as a little scraper thing, I guess, to get it off. I don't even know if I put it on right, but it did so far keep that hair from going down the drain. And that's important to me.